Hi everyone, Beth Dotson here with HomeZada. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thank you so much for joining us and thank you for watching this video. Please, by all means, subscribe to our channel and also check us out at www.homezada.com. So today I want to quickly talk about time management and how you can actually use HomeZada to help you with time management. Many people don't think about this. Oftentimes when it comes to our houses, we think, ugh, more chores, more honey-do list, or, all of a sudden this thing broke and I've got to fix it and repair it. So I'm going to actually help you a little bit with time management and explain how HomeZada can do that for you. So when it comes to time management, we do have a finite amount of time. We sleep, we go to work, even though we're working from home a lot lately, but we do sleep, we do go to work, we do want to spend time with our families, even our friends as much as we can. And then we have other responsibilities as well. We may want to work out and add that to our health schedule, or cook for our family, or order out, whatever the case may be. But when it comes to time management in our house, there's a couple of things that HomeZada can help us with. So many times we seem to forget that we have tasks that we have to perform on a regular basis. For instance, something like simply changing an air filter, and that's really important right now with fires and whatnot. We have to change them a little bit more frequently. So for those people who are in fire areas, please change your air filters more frequently because they're probably filthy with all the smoke. But changing your air filters on a regular basis, usually every 3 to 4 months, making sure you have all that in your head is actually really time consuming. When you can use a tool like HomeZada to actually send you reminders of those tasks, look at me, they're going to come to you in your email, send you reminders of those tasks, then you no longer have to worry about it in your head. You no longer have to figure out when I last did it, or what's coming next, or when I need to do it next time. HomeZada will actually set that recurring schedule for you, and you can be reminded of when to do that. And I think that's really important for our time management because we don't want to be bogged down with household chores and what have you. And that goes for all of our chores. Remembering to do it annually. Some things you may have done in the spring, maybe you decided to prioritize something else this particular month, whatever that month is, and then you want to postpone that particular task another month. But at least you have this schedule that you can update regularly with HomeZada, and it takes only a few minutes to actually update those things on a regular basis, and it's also keeping you organized and scheduled over the next however years you want to use it. So very, very important. Maintenance tasks actually help us with managing our time. The other thing that when we manage our time is also understanding what we're doing with our projects. Because HomeZada has tasks or actions inside its project features, this helps you understand what you need to do, when, next, etc. And then if there are actions that we don't have in the system, you can simply add them to keep you on schedule. This is also really important, similar to managing your maintenance tasks. Projects often come with a lot of actions you need to take, and a lot of these actions need to happen in a sequential order. Most people don't always understand that. So we want to make sure that we're helping with that process, and that way you don't have to rack your brain, you don't have to go find a to-do list, you don't have to go and scramble and have sticky notes all over the place. You actually can use HomeZada and its tasks to manage the process, the project, the status of that project, and the ongoing activities you need in order to complete that project. So time management is really key. There's a lot of other areas you can use HomeZada for time management, but I really think that these are two key critical ones. The third area I am going to talk about briefly, because I really think it's super huge, is document management with inside HomeZada. When it comes to tracking all of my documents about HomeZada, I put everything in HomeZada. I put every piece of paper about my house in HomeZada. I think we've talked about this before, but I clear the air in my house. I'm like, I don't want this paper in my house. I don't need these file cabinets. I don't need any of this. And I need to be able to search this effectively and easily within HomeZada. So because I can do that inside HomeZada, that's critical. Absolutely critical. I no longer have to go hunt around my house to find documents that apply to my house, because I can actually find those documents on my phone, on my desktop, wherever I am in the world. If I'm in a store, if I need that detail, I have it in HomeZada. And that's super, super critical. So I recommend tracking your maintenance tasks, tracking your project actions, tracking all of your documents inside HomeZada for easier time management. There's a ton of other ways we can help you manage your time with HomeZada, but these are three key areas to me that are absolutely critical. And I just think that it's fabulous. I wouldn't have created HomeZada if I didn't think it could help you with better time management, because I am the efficiency queen. I love efficiency. So with that said, I hope you find value in HomeZada and helping you manage your time. You will need to invest time up front to set it all up, but once you're done, not only do you have time management, but you have really great peace of mind knowing that this schedule is coming to you on a regular basis. Love it. So please let us know if you have any other questions. You can email us at info@homezada.com. You can also visit us at homezada.com. But by all means, please remember to subscribe to our channel, and we will provide more helpful tips on home management, on how to use HomeZada the best way you can, and also other areas of helping you manage your home. Have a fabulous day, and thank you so much for joining once again, and enjoy.